how to use Hey everyone, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I will show you how to use Gmail confidential mode for expiring emails. So open Gmail in your browser and click Compose right here with this left button on the top left to start a new message. So in here you just fill out your recipient, subject, and message content as normal. So I will just, for example, send this to myself. Test subject and test message. After that, at the bottom right of the Compose window, look for the icon that looks like a lock with a clock and click Toggle Confidential Mode right here. In the pop-up window, you can click the drop-down under Set Expiration right here and choose the time frame that suits you, anything from 1 day to 5 years. And next, we can configure extra security options before sending your message. So below the expiry setting, choose your passcode requirement. So selecting no SMS passcode lets Gmail users open it directly, while non-Gmail recipients get a passcode emailed to them. Also, selecting SMS passcode forces Gmail to text the verification code directly to the recipient's phone number. When you're done selecting, press Save. Now the changes are activated, and your next email that you send, this one, will expire on a certain date of your choosing. That is it, guys. As always, subscribe and like the video if this helped.